when we looked at the sort of ISO 50001, in our plants we had already, we do what's they call WCM, we do this world-class manufacturing. But what we found was good with the ISO 50001 is that with looking for energy efficiency opportunities, you look in isolation of things. And I think, as I said earlier, the thing that we learned is that to look at it holistically, because everything's got a knock-on effect. And I think that was an important lesson that we learned, is to monitor, measure, but look at what affects what. And it's simple, like, the energy efficiency of the slowest part of the plant is probably the most important and the fastest part of the plant. And I think that's really what we looked at. I had to put this in because I love this picture. It's in the Aqua Park in Holland. It's storks living on a solar panel. And so that's how I see us living with energy management. It's really part of our habitat. So mine is really short and sweet because they said it was the biggest loser. So to me, the biggest loser is the before picture and the after picture. So the before picture was we used more energy than we did afterwards. But I think it's really in the approach, it's in the management, and it's in understanding the plant and how it works. I agree that it's not always about metering, but often it is, because we found that our plants didn't measure as much as they needed to, and they've made many more graphs and more understanding of how the plant runs. Then we also do the CO2 that's linked with it. All throughout Saint-Gobain, we've got goals that we have to save 2% energy and carbon per annum. And this was just really a means of doing that. So if you look at what we've done, we saved 2.6 million rand in paraffin in 2014, and we're continuing on this process. But what's nicer, as I say, with a holistic approach, it's not just about saving energy. It's also that we're getting better purity and better quality out of the whole thing, because the process is better managed. And that was the sort of hidden aspect of the management system. I am done.